Hop into the 2019 Ram 2500. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, backup camera, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, heated mirrors, heated rear seat. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.